Good morning students, class 8 chapter number 11 mensuration exercise 11.1. In the previous video we have discussed about mensuration, plane figures, solid bodies, cuboid, cube and cylinder, and we have complete out exercise 11.1 up to question number 3. Now we discuss question number 4. In the question number 4 it is given that a flooring tiles has the shape of a parallelogram. मतलब टाइल्स जिनकी शेप पैरेललोग्राम जैसी है. पैरेललोग्राम इट इज अ टाइप ऑफ अ क्वाड्रिलेटरल इन विच बोथ पेयर ऑफ अपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल एंड इट्स base 24 centimeter, corresponding height 10 centimeter, base 24 centimeter and the corresponding height 10 centimeter, and we have to find out how many such tiles are required to cover a floor of area 1080 meter square. अगर हमारे पास कोई 1080 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया है तो उस एरिया को कवर करने के लिए हमें कुल कितनी टाइल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. इट्स मीन हमें एक बड़े से किसी एरिया में इन टाइल्स को पेस्ट करना है. हमें ये देखना होगा कि हम जब टाइल्स को पेस्ट करेंगे तो उस कंडीशन में हमें इसके एरिया की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी, क्योंकि हमें इसके सारे रीजन को यूज करना है. इट्स मीन वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल. पहले हम एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल निकालेंगे, लेकिन उससे पहले बिकॉज इट इज यूनिट मीटर एंड हियर यूनिट सेंटीमीटर, सो वी कन्वर्ट सेंटीमीटर इनटू मीटर एंड वी नो दैट 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. सो बेस विच इज 24 centimeter convert 0.24 meter and the height which is 10 centimeter convert 0.10 meter. Now we calculate area of one tile. Area of one tile. It is the shape of a parallelogram and area of the parallelogram is equal to base multiply height. Base multiply height, it's mean 0.24 multiply 0.10 meter square. It is the area of one tile, and after multiplication we got 240, but there are 4 digits after decimal, so 0.0240 meter square. It's mean 0.024 meter square. Now we have to find out number of tiles. हमने टाइल का एरिया निकाला. इट्स मीन अगर हम इसे एक टाइल को पेस्ट करते हैं तो ये इतने एरिया को कवर करेगा. तो वी कैन से दैट टू कवर 0.024 मीटर स्क्वायर एरिया. अगर मुझे इतना एरिया कवर करना है, सो नंबर ऑफ टाइल्स रिक्वायर्ड, तो मुझे कितनी टाइल्स की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी? ऑब्वियसली 1. तो मुझे एक टाइल की रिक्वायरमेंट होगी. Using unitary method to cover 1 meter square area, number of tiles required, तो 1 upon 0.024, and now to cover 1080 meter square area, so 1 multiply 1080 upon 0.024, so it is the number of tiles we have required. Remove the sign of decimal, multiply by 1000. 12 to the 24, 12 9 ja 108 and 245, so answer is 45,000. So we have to require 45,000 tiles. So I sure the question number 4 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss question number 5. In the question number 5, an ant is moving along the particular path. In the A, B and C, there are three figures which represent the path of the ant. Now, in the part A, an ant move A, B, C and after A. It's mean जो distance ant ने cover करी, distance covered by the ant is equal to ABC, which is a curve. Curve, it's mean it is a semicircle plus CA. It's mean ABC is called half circumference. It is called half circumference plus CA. Its value is 2.8 centimeter. Half circumference. Circumference is 2 pi r. It's mean half multiply 2 pi r plus 2.8 centimeter. It's mean 2 से 2 cancel. What is the value of pi? 22/7. What is the value of r? Because it is a semicircle, so it is called a diameter. So radius is 1.4 centimeter. Multiply 1.4 plus 2.8. 0.2. It's mean 4.4 plus 2.8. So distance covered by the ant 2.7. It means 7.2 centimeter. So it is the distance covered by the ant along this path. अगर वो इस पाथ के along करते तो 7.2 सेंटीमीटर डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी. Now in the figure B, distance covered by the ant is equal to A to B is a straight line, B to C is straight line, C to D is straight line and CEA DEA which is a curve. Clear? Curve, it's mean semicircle. AB is 1.5 centimeter. BC is 2.8 centimeter. CD 1.5 centimeter and DEA half circumference 1.5, 1.53 and 3 plus 2.8. Obviously 5.8 centimeter plus 2 से 2 cancel out, pi 22/7 and the r 1.4 because its radius is 1.4 centimeter. 0.2, 5.8 plus 4.4, it's mean 10.2 centimeter. So it is the distance covered by the ant along this particular path. Now figure C. Distance covered by the ant along AB with a straight line, BCD semicircle and D to A is a straight line. AB 2 centimeter, BCD half circumference 1/2 multiply 2 pi r plus 2 centimeter. It's mean 4 centimeter plus 22/7 multiply 1.4. So 4 plus 4.4, it's mean 8.4 centimeter. So finally we observe that in the figure B, the ant travel more distance in compare of A and C. So I sure question number 5 is clear. Just note down. Okay students, now we start exercise 11.2. To start exercise 11.2, we discuss some type of quadrilateral whose areas can be used in exercise 11.2. In which the first is trapezium. Trapezium. Trapezium, it is a type of a quadrilateral in which one pair of opposite sides are parallel and another pair of opposite sides is not parallel. It is called a trapezium. So we have to find out area of trapezium. Area of trapezium. Area of trapezium 1/2 multiply sum of parallel sides into height. Height mean distance between them. आप height को distance between them भी call कर सकते हो. So it is the area of trapezium, and the area of trapezium calculate unit square, meter square, centimeter square, and so on. So it is the area of trapezium. We can note down, अगर हम इसको small a and इसको small b let कर लें, then it is also can be written half into a plus b in a bracket into height. It's your choice. You can write the formula like this or like this. Unit square also. Just note down. Okay students, now we discuss rhombus. Rhombus it is a type of parallelogram in which all sides are equal. It is called rhombus, and these are diagonals of a rhombus, and the property diagonals of a rhombus is that diagonals bisect each other at 90 degree. So area of rhombus is equal to 1/2 multiply product of diagonals. डायगोनल्स की मल्टीप्लाई करने के बाद 1/2 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, देन इट इज कॉल्ड एरिया ऑफ रोम्बस. तो आई श्योर both formulas are clear. Just note down. In the next video we continue exercise 11.2. Thank you very much.